What is going on today, guys? Today we're finally going to show you how to install the carbon fiber mirrors on the 2020 GR Supra. I know we paid a lot of money to have these extra red mirror covers and our signature on the dash to have a launch edition, but we're going to go ahead and install our carbon fiber mirror caps. They look very, very good. The red looks great as well. So now we have one that we can pop on whenever we feel like it. So let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you how to put them on. All right, the only tools you're gonna need are the supplied plastic pry bar. Then you're gonna wanna grab some tape and a right angle pick. Make sure it's painter's tape so it doesn't leave any residue. The blue works great. Step one, you're gonna wanna get some blue or some sort of painter's tape and go ahead and tuck this under the mirror. Just need enough to protect this. With your supplied tool, go ahead and very carefully pry and pop the mirror off. Just be very careful. What we can do is we can go ahead and just let this hang. So as you're gonna see, I'm gonna point these out. There is a space here where you're gonna pinch the clips. There's a space up here where you're gonna pinch the clips, and a space right here where you're gonna pinch the clips. It's very difficult for me to do and video all at the same time, but you basically hook this in. I can up here. So we're gonna go ahead and lift this. And then while that's lifted, you can go ahead and pinch and push these little clips in. And while you're doing that, it's always safer to have a friend, but you're gonna wanna go ahead and apply pressure up here with your little tool. And that way you can just go ahead and squeeze. And that's the noise you want to hear. You want to hear it pop. Then once you got that one, you go ahead and work your way around to the other ones. And just like that, they're all popped out. Then go ahead and apply pressure. So once these top pieces are in, you just go ahead and give it a little push, pops right off. Now, installation is super easy. You look on the bottom here, you have a couple pins that need to be lined up that slide in. So go ahead and be very aware of that. Go ahead and line up the bottom. The side closest to the car popped in. Then make sure the top has this ridge all the way around. So just go ahead and push it down, make sure it's in place, and you'll hear it all clip in. And just like that, that's installed. I'm gonna go ahead and take your mirror and just push it and pop it into place. And you're done. Remove your tape and you are finished. Go ahead and repeat those exact same steps on the other side and you will have nice, crispy, clean carbon fiber mirrors. All right, and there you have it, our carbon fiber mirror caps for the 2020 Supra. Those look amazing. And it's a real simple, easy process of installing and taking them off. So I highly advise doing it this way so you don't damage your factory cap or break any of the clips. So that's it for this episode. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.